Hello, here's the outline of an Essbase cube, and it has three aliases defined for French, Italian, and Spanish. So for every member name in English, which is the default, these aliases store the corresponding name in French, Italian, and Spanish. So if you look at the members in the marital status dimension, for the value single, you have aliases in all three languages, same with married, widowed, and so on. If you look at the month of year dimension, you'll see all month names have their corresponding values in these three languages. Now let's see how we can use these aliases in Oracle DB while sourcing from this Essbase cube. Let's begin by creating a dataset to source from this cube. Let's choose the connection and the sample cube. Notice that you now have an alias drop-down and it shows all the aliases defined for this cube. Let's first leave it as default and see what the behavior is. I add the data set and create a project. Let me choose net revenue, marital status, and month of year. Let me swap these two for better visibility. So you see that all the member names are displayed in English, which is the default value. Let me save this project. Call it Essbase Alias. Let me go back to the data set and change the alias. So let me click on Inspect. Notice that you can change the alias value from the Inspect option as well. So let me change it to French and save. And I will reopen the project to see what changes appear. So let me go and refresh data. You'll see that all the member names are now in French as it picks the member names from the French alias. Let me go back to the data set, change the alias to Italian, go back to the project, click on refresh data again. You will see that all the values are now in Italian. Changing the alias to Spanish and doing the same thing, going back to the project, refreshing data, will now show all the member names in Spanish. So that's how easy it is to set alias in a dataset sourcing from an Essbase cube. Thanks for watching this video.